Hey guys, a lot of people have been asking me about product research when listing specific items on Facebook Marketplace. A lot of my strategies in product research involve a lot of trial and error. Some of the main factors in play involve what month we're in. There might be holidays such as Valentine's Day, summer holidays, Christmas holidays to consider when listing. I've also mentioned the seasonal aspects to product research, and this current holiday season being summer, I'll be leaning more towards outdoor items such as for garden, furniture or maintenance tools. But sometimes your own instinct on what you would buy personally during this summer or winter or spring period might be that golden nugget that's going to be the next hot seller. So some things that I find useful are Facebook Insights. This is something that through your Facebook app, not on your desktop, so through the Facebook app on your phone, you can view what product categories people are currently buying the most of at this current time. I'll show you how now.
From your mobile home screen, go to your Facebook mobile application. From here in the top right corner, you'll see a human-shaped circular symbol. Click on that. In the middle, you'll see Insights, Facebook Insights. So in the middle from here, you'll see listing recommendations. And from here, you'll see all the current listings that are being sold on Facebook Marketplace, all the hot selling items. Try it out yourself.
Another cool way is Prime Delivery and Amazon customer reviews. Prime Delivery and Amazon customer reviews is my second step. So when I type in my products, I always click on two things, Prime Delivery and based on customer reviews. A lot of these reviews on Amazon can always be bought, so that's why I always add in this third step. Step 3 is review pictures in customer reviews. It's one thing to pay for a review from many people, but it's another thing to get home pictures from people actually using your product. This adds that extra layer of credibility that the product you're going to sell is actually going to be performing well on the marketplace that is Facebook. The credibility in the aspect that other people are using this already, and also the fact that if someone asks you for a more credible picture other than a professional picture, which I've faced many times, you can always use the pictures that have been used within the reviews. In the next video, I'll show you some of the hottest products that have been selling for me personally on Facebook Marketplace, so that perhaps you might get some of the same sales that I am. Unlike most people, I'm trying to help you get started in the same space. So some of my golden nuggets from a few months ago, I don't mind sharing with you in the next video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below. Join my Facebook group to surround yourself with like-minded people and for any live discussions on this topic. It's fast growing and we'll soon have lots of people to help with any insights on Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. So stay tuned for the next video where I'll be presenting to you with my top 3 products that have been performing well. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed what you've seen today.